Hello everyone. So here is the menu system that we have worked on so far. So here we have, this is the main menu, and today I decided to release a playable demo so you guys can play this and give any feedback that you have. So if there are any issues, we can work on them. Or yeah, basically you can try it out. So we have all the settings that we implemented. So if I go to new game, we go to this level and you can play the game and go to the resume, go to the pause menu here, and here we have the same settings in the under settings, same graphics, well, controls, graphics, gameplay, all the options that we had in the main menu too. And also if we want, we can go back to the main menu, and if you want again go back to the game menu. So yeah, things are working, and I'll leave the link in link to download the playable demo in the description, and also I'll leave the link to the project as well in the description. So try it out and let me know what you guys think. In case you haven't been following this series, here is the full playlist of this series. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. Feel free to follow these episodes so you can follow these steps outlined here and implement everything by yourself too. And also project files are accessible through my Patreon page as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in another video. Goodbye.